Hey, what's going on, guys? We're outside of APG right now. I'm excited about this one. We've been wanting to do this for a long time. We've wanted to actually sell completely built vehicles without waiting to some of our customers. So right now, if you head to our website, you click the vehicles tab, you'll see these completely built Ford Broncos. Now on the right-hand side, you've got our black two-door Project Night Rider, we call it. And the left-hand side, you've got our white Panda. This is a full build Pro Runner and a two-door. These are just some of the first vehicles to get loaded to the site. But we are excited to start bringing more of these builds out for you guys, configured different ways, different colors. And the best part about it is if you're in the market for a new, incredibly built, top of the line, Ford Bronco, look no further. All the vehicles that we ever post will be 100% QC tested and ready to deliver and hit the trails. All right, so let's do a quick walk around of these two cars. Now you've already seen the full detailed walk around, but as we want to bring these vehicles to the page, we want to give you a quick rundown of some of the basic options, right? So this is the two-door black mid-runner kit. It's still outfitted with our carbon fiber wide body system, and you can see we did a bit of a tinted clear on this region of the fenders to leave that exposed carbon fiber. It's beautiful. The great part about this build is it's got a lot of the looks, but not a crazy amount of suspension upgrade. It is outfitted with our mid-travel suspension system. That's a significant improvement over stock, but it really is, it's got a lot of the look, a little bit of the upgrade. Now, if you're not running hard and heavy through the desert or the mountains, and you just kind of want to have an aggressive look, mid-runner with our carbon fiber body pack is perfect. Mid-level, but still beautiful and still very, very capable. It's got the bumper wings, it's got some good auxiliary lighting in the bumper. And we did a full black pack on this build. The grille, the emblems, badging, mirror caps, door handles, rear badging. We just really blacked the entire car out, hence the name for it, Night Rider, right? On top of those standard options, it's got a 38-inch tall Nitto tire. It's got bead locks, heavy-duty rear bumper. It is still well outfitted, but also still well-mannered on highway. All right, now, if you want something a little more exciting, something bigger, something badder, this white two-door Pro Runner is just the thing for you. 40-inch tall tires, Dana 60 axles, carbon fiber wide body, heavy-duty shock systems. It is just built and accessorized. It's got a hood trim, aftermarket performance lighting, the bumper caps. It's got paint work on it, decal badges, heavy duty rear bumper. Guys, this thing is built for real drivers. Now, maybe you're never gonna use it, but if you just wanna drive around town with the biggest, baddest Bronco ever built, this is specifically it. I mean, just look at the finish work on the grille, the bumper, the lighting systems, the upper carbon trim. This thing is so well built that it is also incredibly mannered driving on road, driving to work, driving to the mall. It is a common misconception that if you drive a big car on 40s, that it's gonna drive like crap, you're gonna wander on the highway. That's not true. With full retention of the anti-sway bar system, corrected and even improved suspension geometry, wider track width, we increased the wheelbase. I mean, this thing is just dialed for all over. This is the funnest Bronco I've ever driven. I'm super excited for it. All right, guys, we appreciate it. Again, these are just the first two vehicles that we've launched to our website. We've got a lot of new colors coming, a lot of different configurations. We're gonna mix it up. Now, even though you guys may already be on our vehicle for sales page, we're an approachable facility. So if you want to build one that's specific to your color profile, your options, reach out to us. But if you want to just pick up something that's ready to go, consider these ones or one of the many other ones to come. All right, if you guys like this video, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next one.